Hey everybody, welcome back. You know what day it is. Halfway to Friday, almost at the end of the quarter. I hope you guys liked the yoga video yesterday and turning in those video reflections. Make sure you've done that. Today, task 1 off to a good start. Task 2, you're going to complete an assignment about the anatomical terms of movement and the importance of these and how it relates to exercising. Okay, so you're going to learn some new terms and learn exercises that you already know and how they associate to one another. You're going to upload that assignment, and then you are going to turn in the daily check-in by 1 p.m. So here's my video. Here is the link if you need it. All right, you're going to download this PDF at the bottom. Make sure you type all of your answers. Okay, so some of us hand wrote some things in previous assignments, so making sure we're typing all of that. And then open it in Notability and upload it here in Schoology by 11:59 tonight. Okay, so if we click on the assignment here, there's more instructions on it. So due by 11:59 p.m. tonight. Open it in Notability and type your answers. You're going to define each anatomical term of movement as it relates to movement. So some of these words might mean something else, but if it is not a definition that has to do with exercising or movement, okay, it's the wrong definition. So we're going to define flexion. You're going to type it in here. Then you're going to list 2 exercises that include flexion. So it can be of your upper body, lower body, whatever it is. Okay, just 2 exercises. That's all you need to do is list the name of them. Okay, and then move on down to extension. You're going to cite all the sources you use on the reference page here at the bottom. So you only need 2 references, but if you use more than that, go ahead and add those as well. Okay, and you're going to fill out all the boxes for these movements. All right, so the idea here is learning a little bit about what goes behind all the exercises that you do, and just learning about movement in general. So if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you turn this in tonight.